Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Hello Sobat Getris. Now I will teach all of you how to plagiarize some objects. Okay, I will start here. I have full logos. I will start from here. Yeah, but now the first I will set this node offset to 50 centimeters because this design have 500 centimeters width and 100 centimeters height. Yeah. Now I will try to move this object to down like this, yeah, and then we can press F4 to see all object. Now I will press function 2 to zoom this object. Now choose this object, right click and lock this object. Yeah, because if we work, this not move anywhere. Okay, we start from Bezier tool. Yeah, we start from here like this, one node, two node, and join this node. After that we use shape tool, yeah, to select two nodes and convert line to curve. I will try to plagiarize this form. Okay, and then click this area, choose the node and try to adjust the node control like this. If you not sure, don't release this control. If you sure, release this control. And you try the other node, yeah. See, release, choose, slow, release. Great. Yeah. Now the other line like this, release, node control like this. Try the others, release. I think it's great. Yeah, smooth curve. And others we can try to create, but we know where the node point. Yeah, I will try to create maybe as form like this, yeah, and this maybe curve for this, yeah, here, and join the node. Shape tool, choose all node, and then convert line to curve. Yeah, okay, I will try from this. Okay, it's great. Now this, it's great. Yeah, now this, yeah, that's very simple, I think. So easy. Okay, a bit, Okay, this one 6. Okay, yeah. Okay, now this line we can move to up and here to down and make maybe letter S. Yeah. If you want to make a smooth, you must have similar line. Yeah. Okay, we'll try zoom F2. Look, yeah. You have M line to similar line. Okay, F3, zoom out, try another. Okay, a bit up. Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah. Okay, if not sure, you can zoom in like this, and you can try like this. Yeah. Okay, a bit straight. Yeah. Now this note. Okay, maybe a bit. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think you got the concept how to create this. Yeah. Okay, we must mainly get exercise for have a great result. I think. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Now maybe you can move like this. You can see this. Yeah. F3, F2. You can choose green, no hairline. You can choose red, no hairline. Okay, you can make a group. Okay, group. Okay, I will see the difference. Okay, look at the result. Yeah. Okay, this factor result. This bitmap result. Yeah, you can use this design much better than this. Okay, you can delete. Okay, now we can move this. Sorry. Okay, I think. Okay, group, make a group. Arrange. Okay, group and move top. Use dot offset 1, 2. Great. Yeah, it's perfect, I think. Okay, I will meet you again for try to plagiarize this. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. Thank you. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.